Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use Google AI Studio. So just I can go here and type Google AI Studio, and here you can see this one aistudio.google.com. So this is the website where you can go, and now here you can click on try Gemini, and then you can accept terms and conditions. So now here you can ask any question in text format, like we use ChatGPT and different other tools, for example DeepSeek as well as Gemini. And here you can see these are other options. Stream, you can go here, and after that here you can see you will have these three options: talk, webcam, share screen. So the first option is whatever you speak, it will give you answers. So let me click here, and after that let me allow using my. How to build a website on WordPress platform. So here you can see I have asked a question and it has generated in text format as well as in audio format. So you can ask step by step questions and it will answer you. On the right side, here you can change language as well as you can change output options for different voices. And let me scroll down. You can also use another stream options. So again let me click here, and here you can see webcam. So you can choose and live stream. The third option is share screen. So you can go anywhere. For example, here I want to share my screen. Now let me open another screen, for example here, and then let me select from here this one, then click on the share button. How I can rank these blog posts? Yes. So guys, here you can see a very useful tool that you can easily use, and you can get answers of any of your questions. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.